What is going on, YouTube? This is Dave's Daily Trades coming at you again with another video on AMC. So, few things I want to cover with you guys today. First being the technical analysis, price action for today, expectations for tomorrow and the rest of this week, and then a couple of interesting news articles that I've been seeing that I felt like sharing with you folks. So definitely stick around until the end because there is a lot of information, a lot of things going on with AMC in general. Of course, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe. So let's jump into it. All right. So we definitely had a great day today. Opened up around that, or closed Friday at 12:05, and an immediate spike up to 1396, which was the high of the day. And of course, we've really seen this quite a bit in AMC over the past several weeks, where we'll have that really strong pre-market run for the first maybe half hour to hour. And then for the rest of the day, we just typically just decide to trade sidewards, which is totally fine. I personally love seeing that sidewards price movement. Of course, it's not the funnest thing to watch, but it just shows comfort at and around that area. So guys, we are absolutely comfortable trading at between $13.50 to just about a high of $14. $14 really has been that key level of resistance, but really now that Wanda is out of the picture and nothing is holding us back, I think we can absolutely blow through that area. So overall, everything is looking good here. Really what I'm looking for on technical analysis is consolidation. And I'll find that, of course, in the RSI. If you have the RSI bouncing between that overbought area and oversold, in between that and not going above or below that, that is great to see. And of course, we barely, besides for this morning, that was the only real big area of overbought. But that's totally fine. The consolidation up here definitely shows us that we're comfortable there. So let's take a look at the bigger picture. All right, so we'll zoom into what is relevant here. And guys, what a nice big green candle. I love to see this. So of course we did see, and let me zoom in here. We did see 3 days really testing that $12 range, and the hedge funds, they could not bring us down, guys. Now that Wanda's out, like I said, nothing is stopping us. So what I personally think is we've already tested this $12 range quite a bit. And I now think that we have comfort at this level. So now it's time to move up and test the next level. So of course, yes, this 14 to 1450 area has been huge, and it's been very difficult to pass. Of course, we've seen this over here back in March, and then of course now in May. So I personally think that we're going to break this level with the pre-market data, all the volume that's bringing in day traders, swing traders, you name it, traders. We are absolutely going to break this, and I believe our next area of resistance is going to be up and around $17. But guys, this is where things really start to get interesting. Of course, this area, there was a lot of support and resistance level, but for some time, AMC, guys, look at this. If we look back here, for years, AMC wasn't even over, what was that, $9. I think for the most part, we were under $5. So even just to be at this level, this is really a new level for AMC. Of course, previously back in, I believe, 2017, 2016, we did see highs of about $30. But that was years and years ago, guys. We're here to develop new areas of support and resistance. And once we get up here, guys, these levels are real big. There's going to be some significant price movements that we will see in the days and weeks to come. But guys, the squeeze has not even begun yet, but just wait because it is going to be so interesting. And I'm so excited I can't even talk right now. All right, so into some of the articles that I found. So this is Seeking Alpha. This is actually a really good website to get relevant investing information. But one thing I found here is the ownership. So, of course, this is a very accurate and reliable source. I'll also link this in the description for you folks. But really the biggest thing is it's wonderful to see that public and retail investors own 77.67% of AMC. But, guys, the total stocks held here, 36.28 million shares. Okay, that's interesting. So jumping over here to Yahoo Finance, we can see that the float is, I know this is 448, but I believe that's more closer to 450 million shares. So guys, right off the bat, this is telling us that there absolutely are synthetic shares. And, you know, can't do the mental math right off the top of my head, but I believe that's somewhere about 80, 85 million synthetic shares just showing up online. And guys, of course, we know that there are absolutely way more synthetic shares than just that. But just to see that this information is out there for us to view is absolutely insane. And I really think that, you know, we could have, and this is absolute guesstimate here, but we could have anywhere from 100 million to even close to 1 billion synthetic shares. And this is going to be absolutely insane once it starts to take off. And I think we are at the very early stages of this. So definitely stay tuned because it is about to get interesting, guys. Last piece of information is coming from The Street. Of course, AMC coming out with some new movies. We got Memorial Day weekend coming up, which is going to be great because everyone wants to go catch a movie, do some American things on this day. And what's more American than going to the movies, getting some popcorn that's $10, and just throwing butter all over that stuff. I know I'm with it, and I hope you guys are. And that's another point, guys. We're investors of AMC. Go support the company that we invest into. Go watch some movies. Go bring your mom, your dad, your girlfriend, your grandparents, whoever it may be, out to the movies because there's some great movies coming out. But anyways, just getting to the article, this is really just all bullish information. Absolutely unreal. So Odin said, and this is just key points here, Odin said it sold more than 300,000 tickets for the week beginning on May 17th. And we saw really strong pre-sale demand for upcoming films, including all of these here. Actually, really interesting to see the new Conjuring. That's probably my top pick for that. But of course, actually, I forget exactly where this was, but also rival movie theater chains are also seeing kind of the same demand for everyone to go back to the movies. So guys, if this isn't just good news, I don't know what to tell you, but this is definitely going to be attracting those day traders, those swing traders, which of course is going to drive volume through the roof, which is exactly what we're looking for. So that's really all the information that I wanted to cover today. If you found anything that was useful, helpful, or anything you liked, definitely hit that like button and drop me a subscribe. Guys, last video on Sunday, which was yesterday, I asked for your help to get to 150 subscribers, and you guys absolutely pushed me past that and got me almost to 180 subscribers. So guys, I really appreciate that. Definitely by liking and subscribing, that supports my channel so much, and I'm very appreciative of that. But definitely tune in for the next one, and we will see you guys. Hold strong.